How you doing, everyone? Just popping out for a quick session again, to be fair. It is 7:54, and I wasn't planning to come out, to be fair, but there's been a break in the storm. It stopped raining. There's no thunder at the moment. So I've come out tonight just to have a quick blast with something I was going to do next week. And that being that there's a lad on Instagram and YouTube called Sapling Shots. Well, that's his page name anyway. His name's Jamie. And he's watched a few of my videos. More importantly, me Screwdy Burt videos that I used to do pretty much all the time. And awesomely, he's made a miniature Burt. Now, the profile's very, very similar, just massively scaled down, and it doesn't rattle. There's rattles in regards to the metal on the hooks and the links, but there's not actual rattles inside. So it's just a straightforward jerk bait. Now, I know he's already caught on this. He's posted it out to me and said, have a go with this and see what you reckon. He's having a go at making them himself. He's been doing them, I think, for quite a while by the look of it, but only for himself. So I think he's just branching out, but either way, I think that's awesome. And I reckon a big perch and maybe a big chub as well. I don't know. You guys who fish for chub and perch know more than me, so drop a comment in if I've caught and you see this video and let me know. But yeah, what I intend to do is give this a blast tonight. Just this, maybe, I'm not sure. I might chuck a jig fly on, you never know. But yeah, let's go and see if we can catch a pike on this lure for Jamie. Fish on, stay on, go on, stay on. Oi, oi, oi. He wanted that. Let's bring you over here, son. See if I can bring you over the top. Oh yes, oh yes. Just in case it's of any use to anyone, I've been and brought quite a while ago now. It's a propolis, or it's a Korda propolis kit. See if that'll focus in at all. Now, really, they're for carp. However, a fish is a fish in that respect. Comes a little handy goose case. But what it does mean is I can treat the fish. So when I get him back out on the bank, spray it, and then put it back in the water, and then I'll release him after that. Right here, guys. This is probably the first time I've done this on video, but out of the two, I've gone for that one. Because as you can read itself, it cleans and disinfects open wounds or damaged skin, and this pike's got both, so that's what I'm going to use. But I'll just get the fish out once I've got it ready, and yeah, it's just a squirty bottle, so there's no need to mess around. But oh, you'll see. And the fish itself, all like you're turning around because it's going to be easy to apply it. I'm trying to help you, buddy, I swear. To be fair, I'm probably using more than I need to, but it's quite a big open wound, to be fair. I'll just double check the other side. he says. Yeah, that one on the top there as well. Right, just get him back in the water, rest him up, and then I'll release him. Well, as I expected, my GoPro did die, so we'll try this one again. Head up, son, head up. There we go. Go on. No, his head's just poking out the other side. He's shot off now. If you can see that, but 10 spawning. They're getting right down deep in there. There's 4 now. Right here guys, you have to bear with me. That one got into a right knot. This one, it's got loads of markings all over him as well across his back. I'm about to run out of battery on my phone now, so I'm doing really well here. Unfortunately I couldn't catch the fight, because like I say, GoPro's dead, but yeah, it's another big wound across his back. But I don't think that's not from spawning, that's from, I'd say that's from line or wire trace or something, but we're getting back. He's ready to go back, so it's I'm not sure if you live and see it, to be honest, but getting eaten alive as well. There you go, buddy. He's just literally drifting down to the bottom. Nice one. Right, yeah guys, so it's a quick review on last night's session. As you'll have seen, none of it went to plan. Unfortunately, rushing around, I picked up the wrong battery for my GoPro, so that ran out of power. My iPhone ran out of power before the session ended. I got eaten alive because, like a plonker, I wore shorts to go fishing down the canal. when it starts to drop dark and all the little nasties come out and love to just suck your blood. So yeah, nothing really went to plan. However, the venue I chose, albeit it was very weedy, to be fair. I mean, that's another thing really. I could have done with going to another venue, but I chose down there because it's crystal clear water and I could see what the lure was doing. So on different retrieve rates and different styles, I could see exactly how the lure works, or if it worked. I'm really pleased to say that it did. I mean, Jamie did say that he's made the lure from oak wood, I think it is. So there's no weight in there whatsoever. So it's a lead-free weight. And the sink rate is spot on. For me anyway, for fishing the canal, it's spot on. I'm sure for deeper water, just work out how fast it drops down, count the seconds and away you go. And you'd have to speed things up a bit on a fast flow river. But no, absolutely spot on. My overall review, or sort of review of the lure, is it's an awesome little lure. He's really done a good job. For someone who, I presume he's not been doing it too long, I'll put a link into the video so you can see his Instagram page and his YouTube channel. He pretty much makes them for himself. If I had the skills to make these myself, well, I'd be one happy chap. He's got them in bigger sizes as well. But he also does leather work as well. But like I say, just go and check his YouTube channel out and his Instagram page. I'll put the links in the description. But what I will do to do the lure proper justice, I suppose, is I'll get the lure into a proper video and see if we can do better damage with catching loads of fish. I mean, I still caught 2 fish on a couple of hours session, so I can't grumble. Well, yeah, I missed a couple and had a few follows, but then I spooked them from being too close to the bank's edge. So, and even being in crystal clear water with those colours, it's still the fish wanted it. So there's no two ways about, does the lure work? Absolutely. I think I mentioned in the video, but it weighs in at 32 grams on mud scales I've got, but I don't really trust them. But it's I think it's 16 or just over 16 centimeters long. So yeah, absolutely made up with that lure that he sent through for me. So yeah, can't wait to get it out again, to be honest. But I did take a jig fly with me, but I never put it on. I was that intent on sort of catching on this lure that yeah, it stayed away. So that's, if anything, that's something to go by, is that I didn't get my jig flies out. Anyone that knows me would know that that's a feat in itself. So yeah, overall review, fantastic little lure. Well done, Jamie. Well done, mate.